Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet very beautiful shrug. I use 8 mm hook and yarn. Make a slip knot. Make chains. I made 40 chains in here. Skip one chain, go to next chain. Insert your hook into this chain. Pull up yarn. Yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make one single crochet. Yarn over, go to this chain, pull up yarn over, pull through two yarns. Yarn over, pull through two yarns, make one double crochet. Skip one chain, go to next chain. Skip this chain, go to next chain. Make one single crochet, one double crochet. Skip this chain, go to next chain, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Skip this chain, go to next chain, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Skip this chain, go to next chain, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Skip this chain, go to next chain, one single crochet, one double crochet in chains for this for first row. Skip this chain, go to last chain, make one single crochet, one double crochet in last chain. Make a chain, turn it, go to this hole like this. Skip this stitch, go to this hole, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to this hole, skip this two stitch, go to this hole, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to this hole, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Go to this hole, make one single crochet, one double crochet, and continue for this row. One single crochet, one double crochet. Go to next hole in here, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Make a chain, turn it, and continue same as before rows. Go to this hole, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Go to this hole, make one single crochet, one double crochet, and continue. make one single crochet, one double crochet in last stitch, make a slip knot, make 1 2 3 4 5 15 chains, skip 2 chain, yarn over, go to this chain, make double crochet, make double crochet in each stitch for first row, make one double crochet in last stitch, make 2 chains, turn it, yarn over, go to these yarns, stitch second row from these yarns, take this yarn on your hook, make one double crochet in each stitch from these yarns, this is front of work. Make one double crochet in here, last stitch, make 2 chains, turn it, in this row yarn over, go to this stitch, this hole, make double crochet in these holes, take these yarns on your hook and make one double crochet in each stitch and continue, make one double crochet in last stitch, make 2 chains, turn it, stitch from these yarns in this row, this is sleeves, join sleeves to work, join from back of sleeve, go to first stitch, join these parts together, join from here. Now join these sides together. From back of work. This is front of a sleeve, this is back of a sleeve. Join these loops together. Join other sleeve like this in here, in this side. From back of a sleeve.